Today we're diving into a useful feature on Snapchat that lets you see if your friends are active. Whether you're waiting for a response or just want to know if someone is online, this quick guide will help you out. Let's jump right in. First, start by opening the Snapchat app on your device. You'll be greeted by the main camera screen, where all the fun happens. Now, to check if someone is active, look for the location icon at the bottom of the screen. It typically looks like a little map pin or a location marker. Once you tap on the location icon, you'll be taken to the Snap Map. This is where you can see your friends' locations if they've chosen to share it with you. If a friend is currently active on Snapchat, you'll notice a label that says "Now" next to their name on the map. This indicates that they are online and using the app right now. Keep in mind that you can only see this information if your friends have enabled location sharing with you. If you don't see the "Now" indicator next to their name, it simply means they might be offline or have their location sharing turned off.